and thanks so much for joining me today. It's Michelle with Pink and Main, and I'm super excited to share the October 2024 subscription products. It's October 1st. I can't believe it. And I can't wait to share this month's items. If you are a subscriber, thanks for being a subscriber. I hope you can't wait to get these on your doorstep. And if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? It's a great month to subscribe. So let's head on down to the table view and let's take a look. I'm going to start with our foil subscription. So here at Pink and Main, we have 4 subscriptions, and I'm going to go through each and every one of them with you. And I'm going to show you what you're going to get if you're a subscriber and you're subscribed for October 2024. Now, the foil subscription charges automatically on the 5th of each month. You get a brand new roll of foil and a couple packs of foilables. Our foil this month is Wild Thing Tan. Oh, this is a fun one. Let me take it out of the box. So our foils come 6 1/4 inches long by 25 feet. 25 feet of foil on the roll. So you have lots of foiling fun ahead of you. Look at this fun animal print. I love it. I can't wait to see what you guys create with the foil subscription this month. So you get a full roll of the Wild Thing Tan. This is new, so you're the first to get it. It will be available for individual purchase later this month. You're going to get a package of our foilables panels, which are 4 by 5 1/4 inches. This is Wild About You, and it's a sentiment sheet that you can cut them apart. You're going to get the white on black and the black on white, so you can foil and get 2 different looks. You get 4 of each of the 2 designs. Let's flip it over so you can see the sentiments a little bit larger. We say, it's your day, go wild. Hello there. You're roarsome. Wild about you. And then we repeat some. Hope you have tons of fun. Hello. Thanks a ton. Happy birthday. I can barely wait to hug you. Hello to a dear friend. Congratulations. And then we have, I'll always be there for you. Thanks. Missing you. It's your day. Go wild. And then some more repeated ones. So you get lots of sentiments on here for a wide variety of occasions. So that comes in your foil subscription, as well as a pack of foilables sheets. This is the Animal Prints foilable sheets. You get 8 sheets in here, and they are 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, so you can make 2 A2 size cards with each sheet, or you can make larger cards with them. And they're all, look at these fun animal prints. Oh my goodness, look at that. I just know you're going to have so much fun with these foilable sheets. There you go. 8 different animal prints, foilable sheets. So for $21.99 for the foil subscription, it's shipped free within the US. That is what you get for October. So fun. Now let's go on to our stamp and die of the month. So if you subscribe to the stamp of the month, you're going to get a 4 by 6 stamp set. It charges automatically on the 10th of the month. It's $12 shipped for free within the US for the stamp only. Look at this adorable set this month. It's called Campy Coons. Isn't that funny? And you've got these little raccoons that are on a little camp out. We've got them melting a marshmallow over the campfire. We have some fireflies, a little lantern, the moon, and some clouds. We got another one up here. It's playing its little guitar. And then here's one holding a heart. The sentiments say, you stole my heart. I love you s'more each day. You make me a happy camper. Love you to the moon and back. And you also get this one if you subscribe to the Stamp and Die of the Month. So the Stamp and Die of the Month is only $24 shipped for free within the US. It's a great deal. The stamp set and die will also be available for individual purchase later in the month, but the stamp set will be $16 regular price and the dies will be $18. So what a great deal that is. For $12 you can get the stamp of the month, and for only $24 you can get the stamp and coordinating die. And as you know, if you're a subscriber to any one of our subscriptions or all of them, you get 15% off your other purchases on our website automatically all the time. So that's another great little perk to being a subscriber. Now let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard Kit, which is our monthly card kit. October's theme is called Big Bear. As you can see, we kind of have an animal outdoor type of theme going on this month. You're going to get the flyer that shows you all the colors that we've used in the kit. And this time I've put an X on the colors that you get the cardstock for. On the back of the flyer, you've got some card sketches to kind of give you a jump start in your creativity and inspire you to open the kit and get started. You have a list of everything that's in the kit. So if you're ever worried that you're missing something, just take a look at the list and you can check it off and make sure you've got everything. Our team is really good. We've gone years without missing anything in the kits, which is great. We are human though, so there is a chance. You never know. So you've got one specialty sheet, and that's this nice green foiled piece of paper. Look how pretty that is, very shiny. You're going to get 4 pieces of our colored 100-pound cardstock. We've got it in Coffee Shop, Lakeside, Brownstone, Construction Orange. We've got 1 sheet of our 100-pound white cardstock this month. That's one little change from what we typically give you 2 sheets. We are running low on white cardstock and have not received ours in, but I promise you I have well made up for the cost of the cardstock with this budget busting kit. As you'll see as we go along, you're going to get your zippered mesh project bag. It's a great bag for storing items in or crafting on the go. We've got a beautiful sequin mix. These are gorgeous. They match the colors of the kit. We've got greens and browns and teals, all very sparkly and nice. Our stamp set in the kit is super adorable. This is Big Bear. So we've got our Big Bear here. You can color him Big Brown Bear, Big Black Bear. You could even make him a polar bear if you wanted. The sentiments are great. I can't bear to be without you. You're a very special friend. Have a very good birthday. You're one of the sweetest people I know. I love you like a bear loves honey. I'll always stick with you. Hope your day is sweet as honey. So we've got a bear here with the honey dripping on his paw. We've got a little thing of honey here on this stump. And then he's got a little fox friend too. So sweet. Along with the Big Bear stamp set, you're going to also get the Big Bear coordinating dies, so you can cut those bears out. But we have 2 other die sets as well. This die set is called Little Trees. I'll flip it over. It makes all these different little trees that you can create your scenes and your backgrounds. They come out to about 2 inches tall when you put them together. Very cute. We also have another set of dies. See, I told you we got 2 extra little sets of dies here this month. This is called Mountain Range. So I'll flip it over. So we've got the mountain range. You can add the snow caps to it. We've got a couple of clouds and then the sun that you can put coming up over from the back of the mountains. A lot of great dies here for building scenes with Mr. Big Bear. That's not all. We're giving you a 6x6 embossing folder. So this is a stars embossing folder. I thought this was great for creating like a starry sky background. You can also use this beyond the kit to make patriotic cards, or just anytime you want to add stars in the background that are embossed to add a great texture. So that is the stars embossing folder. And last but certainly not least, you get a full paper pack with 30 sheets of cardstock. This is called the Great Outdoors Pattern Papers. We have 10 different designs and you get 3 sheets of each. If you were just to go and cut these in half for your A2 cards, that's 60 cards that you could create with this. And you could always cut it down smaller sizes and even get more cards. So as I mentioned, we have 3 of each design. So we have this lovely wood print. We have a nice plaid. Look at this with the bear paws. So cute. Here we have a starry night sky. Love it. Here's a nice honeycomb pattern. Here's a nice tree design or forest. So you can already start creating some scenes with that. We have an adorable little floral, little daisies. We've got a yellow sheet here with some bees. There's a nice green pattern. And another plaid that's in the teal, green, and tan. Great paper pad. Now the Crafty Courtyard kit charges automatically and ships on the 15th of the month. The kit is $34.99 base price, and then we add shipping. Before you add it to your cart, we add the shipping cost according to your location where you live. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at the October 2024 new subscription products for us here at Pink & Main. I hope you can't wait to get these on your doorstep. As I mentioned, if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? It's a great month to subscribe. And as always, until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life. We'll see you again soon.